Hello, this is Jay King, self-made millionaire, coming to you from MillionairePennyStocks.com. Want to just make a little short video lesson on daily and weekly chart patterns. Today you're looking at my iPhone chart. This is on my iPhone screen. And today we had a wonderful day today. We shorted Sprint at 736. We found that Sprint found a lot of resistance at 744. And if you can look here on the actual chart, you can see where this point is. The tail end of this point is showing you the resistance levels. And this is really important. Resistance just simply means when a stock cannot break past a certain price. Resistance levels, when you see a stock facing much resistance, it's kind of like hitting a wall or hitting a ceiling. And you can see even here how it looks on a chart. You can see that there is a point, and then from there the stock began to decline in price, and around this price right in here at around 10:30, 10:45, we alerted our paid subscribers, and we got in on the short at 7:36. Congrats to Chad, he got in at 7:42, and he covered at 7:08. That was a wonderful spread that he got on that particular trade. Congrats again to Chad. But like I was saying, that it's so important that you realize why millionaire penny stocks are so important. One of the reasons why is that we're looking throughout the day for daily and weekly opportunities to get good entry and exit points on your trade. When we feel like there's a good time for you to enter into a trade, we send off a text message to our paid subscribers. And so again, look at this particular daily chart on Sprint. This was a wonderful volatile spread. I mean, it went anywhere from 692 to 744. We knew that it wasn't going to break past that particular price based on patterns. And Sprint, once it has a nice little swing or nice little breakout, it usually fades out at the end of the day. And these are normal patterns that you get used to. When you see a lot of stocks that enter into new heights or they break out, if you can be patient enough and wait for them to kind of begin to decline, this is a really good way to get rich and to get a lot of successful trades working for you when you learn these patterns. Now, watching me over and over again and receiving our text messages, it's not just so you can make money, but it's so you can learn the psychology and the method behind some of these patterns. So remember, one of the things that we're doing now, the election is finally over. And there is going to be a lot of opportunities to short stock. We're shorting stock a lot more. We're letting a lot of stocks break out into new heights, and we're shorting stocks at resistance level. And when those stocks are at resistance level, you need to wait until they begin to gap down a little bit from maybe a high or from maybe a breakout. A lot of people like to short breakouts once they begin to break down. And like I said, Sprint really wasn't a breakout. Sprint is finally starting to enter into new heights. It's finally entering into the 7 range, which it hasn't been doing that lately. But now I believe that it may even go a little bit higher, but it still had a problem breaking the 7 range. And so we're going to probably see another gap down eventually. It looks like it's going to go beneath the support level of 710, and it may establish a new level of support and resistance. A lot of times the support level now can become the level of resistance. In other words, 710 and 708 may end up being the new resistance level, and it may establish a new support level on tomorrow, which is Friday. But like I said, I wait for volatile spreads. I don't actually trade until I see volatility. I like to see nice spreads, nice trends, low RSIs if I'm buying. And then if I'm wanting to short stock, I usually wait for a stock to basically break out and find resistance. And then I like to short stocks at retail, and I like to basically buy stocks at wholesale. Again, this is Jay King, Self-Made Millionaire. I just wanted to give you some tips and some strategies on how to be successful, understanding support where stocks cannot go beneath a certain price, and then understanding the resistance levels throughout the day. Remember, stocks are going to establish new support levels throughout the day, and new resistance levels. That's why it's so important that you subscribe to Millionaire Penny Stocks, because throughout the day I'm looking at different levels of support and resistance. And once we feel like it's a wonderful time for you to enter into a trade, basically the text message alerts that we send, you will be able to enter into the trade. We're not going to send you a text message where the stock is moving too fast. We like for it to neutralize and consolidate first, and then we give our paid subscribers time to enter in their trades. Just make sure you're set up properly. We can't tell you when we're going to alert you because it just depends on how the charts are looking throughout the day. But just be positioned and ready to place that trade when we send you those alerts. And please test out our strategy. You can go to howthemarketworks.com and you can set up a paper trading account. And I think you'll love this. This is something that I'm doing. It's not a lot of people doing it online, but we're not alerting you. These aren't false alerts. These are real-time alerts, and you have time to jump in on these trades. And I think your life will be changed. You'll never be the same, and you'll learn through experience. There's more that needs to be caught than there is taught. And as you see when we're entering into these stocks, it'll start becoming second nature to you, and you'll get a greater awareness of when to enter in on stocks as you begin to paper trade. My suggestion is you paper trade maybe 100 to 200 to 300 times before you even start off with real money. But again, some people decide to start off with real money right away. But I think it's better for you to start off paper trading. I would love to introduce you to this strategy that we're using. It's been working really well. We've been shorting stocks, and shorting is a wonderful way to actually build an account, a small account exponentially, and grow an account from a small account. Again, this is Jay King, Self-Made Millionaire. We're teaching and training our students how to become self-sufficient in the stock market. Visit us at millionairepennystocks.com and be sure to share the video. Share the video. This helps us a lot. And let other people know about Jay King's alerts. And I'm telling you, man, I'm excited. I'm passionate about teaching you and training you how to go to the next level in the stock market. Have a great day.